Alright guys, so I decided since it's such a beautiful day and I ain't getting no orders anyway, I decided I'm gonna ride the scooter to go get my hair cut real quick.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
I'm debating, should I turn on DoorDash, should I hit this earn by time? I'm debating it, guys. You know what? F it, we gonna turn on EBT for 2 hours. We gonna see if we can get an order. Wish me luck, guys. You know, you can get some 10-mile, 15-mile deliveries on earn by time. Now the good thing is I don't have to take nothing, but I do want to make some money. I want to fill up this gas tank, and if I ain't getting no orders on my other apps and DoorDash letting me hit earn by time and it's 10 o'clock in the morning, it might just be the best thing to do. Welcome or welcome back. Hit that like button for me. Hit that subscribe button for me. And also pray for me too, because I don't know what they finna do to me. Schnucks joins DoorDash for on-demand grocery delivery and SNAP EBT payment capabilities. Mike Goldblatt, the CEO of the grocery side over at DoorDash headquarters, has signed off on a new partnership. Welcome or welcome back. I'm your boy FDA, and we're gonna dive into this a little bit, dissect some of these details, because if I'm not mistaken, I thought I was already doing Schnucks orders on DoorDash. I'm in Edwardsville, Illinois, but I'm familiar with Schnucks because I'm St. Louis born and raised. Now, this particularly is for St. Louis, Missouri. So maybe on the St. Louis side, those Schnucks over there haven't already partnered with DoorDash, but I think that's gonna be changing now with this brand new overall encompassing partnership, because I got a Schnucks right across the street, and I'm pretty sure I done did a DoorDash order there before. Like, if I at least know I've done flower pickups, but I know I think I did like an alcohol delivery or two. But now it's seeming like nationwide, or maybe not nationwide, but as far as the full St. Louis region. Let's go ahead and dive into this article. So DoorDash and Schnucks, what they did. DoorDash and Schnucks have announced a new partnership to provide consumers with access to on-demand delivery of groceries, right? We're very familiar with this. Our shop and pay orders at your Aldi's. I'm pretty sure I've done them at Schnucks in Illinois, but they come into St. Louis now. They are primarily focusing on the EBT and SNAP benefits. It says, in addition, Schnucks will accept SNAP and EBT payments from the DoorDash marketplace, from pantry, freezer, refrigerator, staples to organic and premium products. Consumers can enjoy convenience of on-demand delivery from Schnucks stores via DoorDash. Now, Mike Goldblatt, the vice president of grocery retail partnerships at DoorDash, said they are excited that they are partnering with this beloved family-owned grocer with over 100 stores on DoorDash through online grocery delivery. They proud to provide further access for SNAP beneficiaries to get them groceries, get them essentials, get that produce, whatever you may need. Backstory on Schnucks. Like I said, I'm from St. Louis. That's like one of the first grocery stores I ever even remember being cognitively aware of. Now, Schnucks was founded in 1939. It's one of the largest privately owned grocery stores in the nation. It's a third and fourth generation family owned business, so that's great. Schnucks prides itself on the commitment of nourishing people's lives and helping communities thrive. Now, I've lived in quite a few different areas in St. Louis, and pretty much every single one from the north, south, east to the west, they all got a Schnucks located over there. The new partnership with DoorDash will help reach consumers, make it convenient, and make them more money. That's coming from the Schnucks CEO right there. All Schnucks stores are available on DashPass, DoorDash membership program that offers 0 delivery fees and reduced service fees for thousands of restaurants. Now, if you're a DashPass member, you're going to be getting a slight advantage over the average consumer that's ordering their groceries, because I'm not sure if they're going to be upcharging you for the particular groceries, but those delivery fees and service fees can and will differ from area to area. So if you have that DashPass membership, it's going to give you a little bit more savings when it comes to ordering these groceries, especially if you ordering on a weekly basis, monthly basis. If you're getting into a habit of getting your grocery list together, placing that order on your grocery website of choice or your DoorDash app, you might want to go ahead and think about potentially getting that DashPass to save yourself a few dollars. Because although shopping pays do pay a little bit more, they don't necessarily pay astronomically more than a regular food delivery order. So you want to make sure you're doing everything as a customer to save money on the delivery side so that you can be generous and tip your dasher. That way you get all your items and don't nothing be messed up. Let me know what you guys think about this. I want to say new partnership, but it ain't really new. They just really expanding upon something they already had a piece of. I guess they really needed to sit down with both presidents of the respective departments from DoorDash and Schnucks and really figure out the over-encompassing partnership and deal they want to do. Basically, get down to the money. They probably had to iron out some wrinkles in the contract and get the money fully situated. Schnucks probably had to pay a whole lot of money to DoorDash in order to get their customers more access to get them deliveries done to their house. That's what I think. I don't know for sure. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And let me know also if you like doing shopping orders, if you're excited to do more shopping orders, have more opportunities in your area. Let me know if you're excited to just see the inside of a Schnucks, because I'm going to tell you right now, they do beef clean. They got nice, knowledgeable employees. It's one of the better grocery stores. Now, it can be on the expensive side for some things, but that's because it's privately owned, it's family owned, and it ain't like no Walmart. It ain't about to be a billion people up in there, all up in the aisles, all up in your way when you're trying to shop. But Dashers, let me know what you think about this. Is it great to have more opportunities, or is this going to be something else that negatively impacts your acceptance rating? I'm curious to see what you guys say. I'm about to go ahead and grab me my first order of the day. If it's a Schnucks order, I'll let you guys know. On the plate for today, first things first, we got to make some money. But before we make some money, man, we need a haircut. Look at this. I'm out here bad. I need to get this taken care of. I need to get this taken care of. And that's going to cost me. So we need to go ahead and run by the ATM. And we're going to grab some cash real quick. And then after we grab some cash, we need to go ahead and get us an order or two, because my haircut is in 2 hours. So I need to get me something, you know what I'm saying, really to pay. If I can make $60 to pay for this haircut in this amount of time, I'll be happy. But realistically, I just want to get 1 or maybe 2 orders done so that I can have some money already made back before I head to this haircut. Because we can't be out here like this, y'all. This is crazy. Like, it's too hot. It is 79 degrees out here. So ain't no way I'm finna be out here with a full head of hair like this. I should have really went to the barbershop last weekend, but we had the holidays, a lot of festivities. Family came through, my sister came through, you know what I'm saying? So I said, you know what, I ain't gonna be able to get it done this weekend. We gotta push it back. But speaking of getting pushed back, I know when I head up there, my barber better be on point, because if my lining ain't right here, boy, I should have went inside a Walmart and bought me something and got cash back, man, because this dang ATM probably finna charge me like $3.50 or $4. Well, I already got a body armor, so I really don't need to go in there and buy nothing. You know, it's cool. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. We got the cash. And no, the haircut don't cost $100, but you know, you always got to get a little bit extra. I'm seeing a few orders right here. We got $21.84 for 19 miles. 3 stops on that one. We won't be doing that. Then we got $20.95 for 21 miles. That's a Sam's Club pickup. Yeah, I might have to go ahead and turn on Uber Eats. Ooh, but this one say $22. Oh, it's gone. It was $22 for 7 miles. But the only problem is I'm actually running kind of late. So we need to go ahead and haul ass. I'm about to hop out into traffic, and we about to make our way there. As soon as this damn police car decides to go back, then we gonna head on down there. I will be on the main road. We got blinkers and headlights and everything, but yeah, we definitely need to go ahead and hurry up and make our way down there sooner than later. We got about 20 minutes, and we got a couple roads that we can go about 30 miles an hour down. I'm trying to stay away from the roads that go about 40, 45 miles an hour, but I'm also not about to be on this sidewalk for the whole time. So if you enjoying these scooter videos, you ready for some more scooter content, hey, hit that like and that subscribe button. And hopefully these police officers don't give me no problem, because I am gonna be in and out of traffic with this damn thing. But now that we got this out of the way, let's go ahead and crank this thing up. I wanted to let that police officer go by real quick. I probably should have went on and been in the street already, but I definitely didn't want to just hop out in the street when I seen him right there. And here we got another one coming right here. So that's still not gonna be the perfect time to hop out in the middle of the street. But we will be doing that in a second. It's a traffic light coming up here anyways, and we're gonna have to go straight through that light. But I wanted to make sure I had all my settings right before I did that. And hopefully we don't encounter no issues today. But if we do, I think we're gonna be all right, because at the end of the day, this is an electric scooter and it ain't too much they can do about it. You know, the laws over here only apply to like e-bikes and stuff. And as long as I ain't on the bike trail, I should be good. So let's go ahead and hop out into traffic, and hopefully we can make our appointment time, which is about 20 minutes from now. And I don't even know if I got enough battery to record the whole trip, but we're gonna do our best. If I'm not mistaken, uh-oh, this what they was heading up this way for. It looked like something going on. I hope somebody going straight. Oh yeah, they're gonna activate that traffic light for me. See, it all worked out. This thing will not activate the traffic signal most of the time, so you need a car to be at the light. Now, if they going straight, then they going the same way we going, because that's exactly the direction we headed. It looks like we got about 40% battery on this thing as of right now, so we should be in good shape. I can go ahead and scan traffic as I'm sitting here behind this cop. This is hilarious. Man, it is a beautiful day out here. It's gotta be like at least 80 degrees now. Camera, because I got like a brand new setup going on right here. And I wanna make sure it's as stable as possible. So if that's going back and forth. Well, it's not looking too good, guys. I should have been there already, but I was messing around trying to make sure I had all my gear together. I guess it took me a little bit longer than anticipated, so you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet and get across this highway. We got it in fourth gear now. Firm grip and a good stance. It ain't too bad. Seems like if I keep my hand twisted on the throttle ever so slightly, then it gives me just enough power to kind of push through the windiness. Oh man, we might be in trouble right here, guys. We at this traffic light. Perfect. Sometimes it be like that. See, I should have thought about that before I came down this way, but it's my first time coming down this way on the scooter. And you know, it ain't no sidewalk over here to cross over the highway anyways, unless I take the back roads, which will have me, you know, basically, yeah, I gotta get over. Woo, we on the scooter, boy, going across the highway. That's how you know it's real right there. I know these people better be watching out for me. At least I know I'm standing tall, so they should be able to see. But the speed limit on this road like 40. Let me go ahead and get my feet planted good. Once we get past this little highway part, it'll be all right, because this is hella windy right there. And so you got these tractor trailers stopping up here. But see, when I'm on the scooter, I can't be cutting over. I gotta just deal with it. Whatever the traffic is, I gotta deal with it. Cause I ain't finna be cutting over without no mirrors. That's too much. But my barber coming up here on the right. We ain't too far away. We're about a minute away for real. That's what I'm talking about. That's looking much better right there. We got that fresh haircut. We about to leave the barbershop right now. Man, I was riding this thing on the street on the way here, passing up cops, all in traffic. I think I'm gonna try to take the bike trail back to the crib, because it's just a lot. But I love it, man. This thing is so fun to ride. But I don't think I'm gonna do no delivery right now. I need to go home and take a shower, man, because I got hair all over me. But yeah, I think this might be my new way of getting myself to the barbershop. Now, what's gonna be the fastest way to get me to the bike trail? I gotta get across this street. I have no choice. I have no choice, but what's gonna be the best way to do it though? See how these cars coming around this corner? This is crazy. Oh Oh, nah, man, I can't turn right here. Look at this. Nah, man, I can't do it. You know what? I know what to do. I'm gonna go down and around. That's what we're doing. Yeah, because I don't want to make a left right there. I'm gonna do what he said. I'm gonna go down and around. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, because that left turn right there is straight up diabolical. We're not doing that. You know what? I'm gonna go through the park. That's the move right there.